Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I am starting a new week of what I cooked for dinner. I just got home from work and I'm about to get dinner going. So I wanted to share what I was making tonight. So a few months ago, I got this garlic parmesan wing seasoning mix from the Walmart brand and I legit forgot about it. I have like a whole bin, let me show you, of little like seasoning things. And this, I have a couple of these. This is the one that I mainly pull from, but this got pushed all the way to the back here. And I was just going through this the other night. There's like taco seasoning in here, brown gravy mix. I try to keep like a couple taco at all times, a couple chili mixes. I might have another one of these as well. Italian dressing, the honey sriracha marinade, garlic, tomato, basil. You know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, this is one of my favorites in the summer, spring, fall when we grill. Another favorite is the Baja citrus. Got a couple of those, a few more of these tomato, basil. But anyways, you guys get the picture. This got pushed all the way to the back and I knew that I had it. So I pulled it out. I bought some wings and I am excited to get these going. So hopefully this is good. I've got my wings here that I'm gonna get going. For a side, I need to use up these potatoes. So I'm gonna do some mashed potatoes I put butter and some milk in there and make them really creamy. So I've been doing them lately. So I'm gonna do those. These are just sweet potatoes that I'll make later in the week. I'll probably use all these potatoes up, why not? And then I also have some broccoli that I'm gonna steam up. So I'm gonna go ahead and get things going. So I rubbed the wings down with a little bit of canola oil. I just thought it would help the dry rub mix to not only stick to the wing, but also kind of aid in helping the wings get really crispy. So I just shook that bag up and coated the wings. I put them onto a baking sheet with a little bit of cooking spray. I did turn the wings halfway and it really aided to make them crispy on both sides. It was really easy to make. I'll definitely purchase that dry rub again. For the veggie, I just did some steamed peas, really simple. I used about half of this bag, and I did use this lemon herb butter in the pan, and they came out really good. Alright guys, so here is how dinner came out. I am hoping the wings are good. They look really good and coated with the garlic parmesan. I did peas instead of broccoli like I showed you earlier. I don't know, I just felt like peas. And I actually had some red potatoes that were older than the russet potatoes, so I went ahead and used them up. I added some butter, whole milk. I did leave some of the skins on and mashed them really well. So it's gonna be a good dinner, chicken, potatoes, and peas, and we will see you tomorrow. So for dinner this night, I did some ground turkey chili kind of concoction with butternut squash, some black beans, some diced tomatoes. Really simple. I topped it with some shredded cheese, some cilantro, and I did put some sour cream on top of mats. But it was a really good, easy sort of chili concoction, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, so for dinner tonight we are doing a home chef meal. This video is not sponsored whatsoever. I paid for this with my own money out of pocket, and I planned this week to get a home chef box, especially one of the meals for tonight because I had a couple things to do after work, and Matt, my husband, did too, so we are not eating dinner till like 7:30 at night. So I prepared this really quick when I got home. This is one of their oven ready meals, so it comes with a pan and everything. You just have to mix up the meatballs, you know, mix up the meat, form the meat into meatballs with the mixture, pop it in the pan with the potatoes, the peas, and it kind of cooks all together. So we've actually had this meal before, I think about, I don't know, 3 to 4 months ago. It's a really good one. So we're gonna have these. It's like pork stroganoff meatballs with potatoes and peas. And then I also made these Texas toast, little like 5 cheese, little Texas toast bread thingies as a side. So quick and easy dinner tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, I'm home from work and I am starting dinner. I am making some beef enchiladas tonight, and I thought I had the corn tortillas, but I only have like the mini ones, the mini flour, or not corn tortillas. I thought I had flour tortillas in the larger size, but I only have the taco size, which is fine. It's the same thing, just on a smaller scale. So I'm just gonna make like mini enchiladas. I've got my little baking dish. I do use the recipe from the side of the old El Paso can. So I've got one can already in here with the meat and the green chilies. And then I've got the other can to put on the bottom and on the top. I've got my sharp cheddar cheese here, and then I did pick up some green chives because I like to garnish the top with the green chives, and I think it tastes good as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these little mini enchiladas assembled right now. So once the enchiladas came out of the oven, I hit them with a whole bunch of chives. I like doing chives or green onions on top when they come out, and just served it with a little bit of that Spanish rice. These were really good. I actually liked them even better than the normal size tortillas. I just thought for some reason they tasted better. But yeah, they were delicious, and we'll see you tomorrow. So for dinner tonight, we had breakfast. I used the Nature's Own thick sliced white bread for the French toast, some sausage patties from Aldi, and we have a whole bunch of cutie oranges, so I just peeled them, and we had that for a little side of fruit. And this was dinner tonight. So tonight was taco night. We use these stand and stuff taco shells, which are pretty cool because they're really easy just to make. I am using ground turkey tonight instead of beef. Normally I do beef, and it came out really good with the turkey. All right, so my turkey taco meat is simmering away. And then I've got I just diced up a tomato. I've got some shredded iceberg and some sharp cheddar cheese shredded for the taco toppings. And we're gonna try this Taco Bell taco sauce. I found it at Walmart. It was pretty inexpensive, so that is gonna be good. And then I'm gonna do this Seeds of Change Spanish style rice with quinoa, red bell pepper, and corn. I've had these Seeds of Change pouches before. They're pretty good. So easy dinner tonight. I've got my shells here. Usually we have 2 or 3 tacos each and then some rice, but I like to do a couple extra shells because if I make a taco salad, I like to crumble up the shell on top. So these are the stand tall, like the stand and stuff taco shells, the corn tortilla ones, crunchy. So yeah, I'll show you what it looks like when we put it all together. So here is Matt's plate. He said he wanted 3 tacos. So we've got the turkey meat, the lettuce, the cheese, the tomato, and I'm also gonna give him these sour cream packets because he loves sour cream. And then this is the Seeds of Change Spanish rice quinoa. I did just put a little bit of shredded cheese on it, and I'm gonna go ahead and make my plate now as well. So for dinner tonight, we are doing the C-Pack clam strips. I absolutely love these. I love getting breaded clams when we go to restaurants sometimes, depending on if obviously the restaurant has it. But I bake these and we just dip them in tartar sauce. They're really tasty. And we're gonna do these Arita extra crispy fries, and I'll bake them both in the oven together. And I'm gonna go ahead and get these in. So here are the plates: clams, French fries, ketchup, some tartar sauce to dip in. Super easy dinner tonight, which is perfect. And hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Dinner video. Thank you so much for watching. I have a whole playlist of these types of videos from over the years in case you need more ideas, and I will see you in the next one.